Welcome. Let me quickly explore with you different ways and trick to get your picture using your MidJourney. So, what you need to do after you have gotten your Discord is actually the app to get a lot using this. And I'll click on my name, which is my picture. The so many pictures I have personally generated using this app. I have generated a lot of app. I'm going to be teaching you a lot of trick on how to do that. So imagine you are writing a book and then you have a particular part where okay, let's just write like this. Remember, it's written slash imagine. Okay, so the prompt is there. Okay. A realistic or an unrealistic imagination of a boy thinking of animals and the future of the world. Full stop. Okay, I need it to be in 4K. I need to be in HD. I need some elements on it. Elements realistic. Again, I'm adding realistic again. Realistic. Okay, so let's do this. So it's generating immediately. So the moment it starts generating, you can also be getting more at the same time. Let me also think. Imagine a teacher, an African teacher thinking of the kingdom. Thinking of the kingdom to be a king in future. Okay, imagine elements 4K HD. There are still a lot of words you can actually add. Let me see some words I've added before. Over here I added cinematic okay cinematic lighting. Cinematic lighting and realistic painting. You can also add painting. You can add anything you feel like. So let me look at the ones I've done so far. So if you have something like this, these are white students, white human, not bad. Okay, the cards. So if I don't actually like this, what I can easily do is to click on let me get my pen. Let me see whether I can get a pen. That is where is this my app called? I need a pen on the screen at this point so that I can illustrate more, but I can't find it. Okay, I'll wait for that. So I like the number 1. I click on 1. If I like the number, likewise I like the number 3. Now if I click on V1, it simply means that I want you to generate more pictures under 1. And it's asking me, okay, what else do I want? I submit. Okay, and any other things I want on that. Okay, check out the kingdom guy, the teacher that wants to be the king. Okay, oh, this is a very old teacher. This is a very old guy. I click on 1. Okay, so as I'm clicking on them, they are regenerating. Look at the one that generated more pictures, different posture. Use another type of animal over here. This one look more of like us, and a lot of more. Not bad at all. MidJourney will generate a lot of app for you, and this can be used for a lot. So give it a try. I have generated a lot over here. This is nice. Wow. So to download like this now, if I like this and I want to download this, so I click on this. The moment I click on this, then I click on the 3 dots on top, then I save. The moment I save, it save on my phone. So by the time it's save on my phone, I can use my recent view, and if you check it very well, the resolution is very high. Yeah, this is extreme. Wow, I like this. What I'm seeing here is very lovely. So because I wrote a lot of things, there are a lot of things written there, so it's bringing a lot. So let's see this particular one. If I want to save, I also save, and more. So give it a try. Let me show you some of the ones I've generated before. Like now you can add a picture plus yours together. I'm going to be teaching us that also later. Before that, let me just look at any other one. Okay, the king guy. Then I save. Then let me go and look at it in my gallery. So this is the king, and this can be used for a lot. So these are pictures for now. So in another video, I'll be teaching you more of something that is not a picture, maybe this time watercolor and every other thing. So thank you. Stick to the channel. I'm coming for more.